2, 3. Testicles, testicles, 1, 2, 3. This is AMKS Goddess Radio. I've got some kind of like tweak shit going on here. I don't know if that makes it. Does this make it better? Or is this one better? Is this one better? Just test. Trying to see if it goes out to all my friends. Friends. I can hear everything. Can you guys hear everything? This is AMPS Goddess Radio. Say what you think and it's too great to say. Grow a heart, universe. Are you solved for everything? OMG. So, like, it's been hotter than a 3-ball tomcat out here in Illinois. And it goes from rain to no rain. And then let's see if we take. So I got like a little delay on there. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Auto ducking. Are we auto ducking? Disabled? No, it's fucking fine. Yes, this is an explicit. I don't even know how if I can listen to it. Can anybody chat with me? Oh, they can. I feel like I'm talking to myself, man. Oh, baby, do you know that means, ooh, heaven is a place for me. I don't know. Let's test it out. Testicles.